Hello guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm gonna show you that how can you simply use Tensor AI, that is a true and the best AI now these days. For this, you will have to simply click on your browser and search for Tensor AI RTA, and this AI just usually used for creating an image from text. So yeah, that is the main purpose of it. We will simply have to open it in front of you, and here you will see a lot of option to do this thing, that homepage, AI tools, models, post, and etc. To start using it, you simply have to click on the create button that is in the blue section. Click on it, and here are all the tools: anime, leaderboard, creation, comfy flow, host my model, online trading, and etc. Now, on this home page, I will simply go on the create option to create something in front of you. So let's go on it. That is creation, comfy flow, new post, new article, abstract prompts. We will click on the creation button. It will appear in front of you. From here, you can see that this is text to image AI. The second option is image to text AI, or the third is animate. Here is an option to sign into your account from which you can use it more better. So simply click on the Google button here and sign into your Gmail account right from this menu. Now when we continue all the details, you have to allow permission for your Google account for the Tensor AI, and then after signing in, simply click again on the create button. Creation. This is my profile. As you can see, my credits. On the creation page, this is the prompt option where you have to enter the prompt. Like if you want an image created, like I will simply enter that I want to see India as 2000 years before. So I will simply click and search for India in 19th century. So yes, that is this is how it works basically. Here you have to enter the negative prompts, that is like whatever extra you want to add it to it, and then click on the generate button. Now on the right screen page, you can see that this is calling me for wait. So you have to wait for some seconds, and then this image will be just in front of you. You can create anything, like anything you want from this AI, from text to image, like any thought of yours, and it will create the same image as you have imagined it in your brain, and then you can download it. This is how you can use it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel.